studio tower that I built last week. You know, while it's not perfect, it looks pretty cool. It's my first attempt at one of these 3D puzzles. So I'm gonna give it a go again with my second one, which is the Empire State Building. Consists of a total of 97 pieces, and the height is about 71 cm. So I would say it's the same height as the tower here. So let's give it a go. As usual, once you open up the box, you're gonna find a lot of cards. And these cards contain all the bits and pieces and all the parts you need to punch out to form the building. Once that's done, it's gonna look like this, something like this, except a lot larger. Ain't that cool? Well, let's get started. I think there's a missing piece. Well, a missing page. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no 6, and then there's 7, and there's 8. But what they have given me, instead of having a 6, they've given me an extra 5. It's a duplicate. Look exactly like this one. So there's 2 5s. It's not gonna work. It's missing pieces.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Well, that's it. There's nothing I could do about this, man. This is the end of the project. It's like kind of reminds me of like buying a pre-sale development, man. Fucking put a deposit down, put the money down when the deal falls through.
What the fuck? I'm not gonna compete, so keep on moving, cause you got nothing on me. Nah, what you know about karma? Oh, I heard she ain't so sweet. Get yourself out the club if you can't take the heat. Cause I know in the morning you'll be waking up all alone, posing all over your story with nothing to hold but your phone. You got it bad, all up in your head, girl, you obsessed. Think that you cool but you ain't got a crown. Be watching and learning cause I show you how. Looking at me like you want my man.